The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Camden County in southeastern Georgia, south central Glynn County in southeastern Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Jekyll Island, or 10 miles southeast of Brunswick, moving northwest at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Brunswick and Jekyll Island around 5:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dock Junction and Country Club Estates around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Precautionary/preparedness actions: take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. & tornado. Radar indicated max hail size less than 75 in. Beep, 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 beep.